You're all I need. So, paano nga ba ang chords ng You're all I need? So, panoorin mo to kung gusto mong matuto. Okay? Capo. Depende sa'yo kung gusto mong mag-capo sa second fret or first fret or walang capo. Kasi ang capo ginagamit lang pag gusto mong mataas yung tono. Okay? Or kung pambabae yung tono, kung gusto mong medyo mataas yung tono. So, since gusto ko medyo mataas ang tono, inilagay ko sa second fret. Okay? Yung ating capo. You're all I need. D. Itong finger na to sa number 4, 5, 6. Okay? Then, click here. Then G. And kailangan mo din tong finger na to at saka tong finger na to. Okay? D. You need to click. Then G. Konting plucking. Then A. Alright? But bago ka pumunta sa A, kailangan mo ng to. So number 5, bass number 5. Okay? Saka ka mag-A. Then, click. At paulit-ulit lang yung gagawin natin ngayon. Okay? Let's go. Slow motion. So, yun lang yun. Paulit-ulit ka dun sa first stanza at second stanza ng You're All I Need. Yung chorus, D, F sharp minor, then G, then A, and D. And that's it. So, yun lang yung chords ng You're All I Need. So, panoorin ulit natin. Okay, nakuha nyo? So, ito lang. Sa 4, 5, 6, counting click, then G, then number 5, click mo lang, then number 5, number 2, 2 and 6, then 6, then A, sus, yun lang. Alright? Beside me, girl, you're all I need to turn the world. You're all I want this summer. You're all I need when we're apart. You're all that I need. Alright? Simple, di ba?